Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to make some amazing boiled dumplings together. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So to a large bowl, I'm going to go in and add some flour. I like to add a little bit of cornmeal to my flour. If you don't want to add any cornmeal, remember, you can always go ahead and leave it out. I will also add some salt, and then I'm going to use my hand to combine all of that ingredients nicely because you want to ensure that it is evenly distributed and nicely combined. If you want, you can always go ahead and use a spoon to just combine all of the ingredients together, or you can just use a fork. I have 1 cup of water, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a small amount of water until the dough comes together nicely. If your dough is a little bit sticky, no need to worry. What you can do, you can always go ahead and add some loose flour so that it comes back together nicely. All right, so just a reminder, do not add all of that water at once. A small amount until the dough comes together nicely. And I also went ahead and just put on my pot with some water because, you know, I don't want to spend a long time in the kitchen. So I'm trying to make sure that everything is done within a time span. Now, you can always go ahead and have this with some curry chicken. And yes, I do have a curry chicken recipe that I'm gonna drop for you guys on Friday, so you can stay tuned for all of that goodness. And this is what the dough looks like once it's come together nicely. And you also want to ensure that you don't overwork your dough. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cover my dough and just put it aside for roughly about 5 or so minutes. And then we're going to come back and start making up that dumpling so that it can cook. Now, this will take me roughly about 15 minutes to cook, very quick and easy. So I add a little bit of salt to the water, and then I'm going to take off small pieces of the dough, roll it in a circle, and then I'm just going to press it down and add it to the boiling water. Yes, you want to ensure that you add your dumplings to boiling water. So what I did, take off a small piece of the dough, roll the dough in a circle in the palm of my hand, and then I just use my hand to just press it down flat, and then I add it to the boiling water. All right, so again, we're going to do it. We're going to repeat what I did. So I take off a piece of the dough, a small piece of the dough. I roll it in a circle, and then I use my hand to just press it down, and then I add it to the boiling water. And again, once you add the dumplings to the boiling water, you're going to go ahead and just use a spoon to just combine everything well, because you don't want the dumpling to stick to the pot. If you don't combine the dumpling, if you don't, move it up in the pot, then it's a possibility it's going to stick to the bottom of the pot, and you don't want that. So make sure that you use a spoon, and then once you finish, you just cover it and allow it to cook. And once it's nicely cooked, you go ahead and serve it up with your favorite meat. Again, I'm going to serve mine up with curry chicken. And yes, I'm going to give you guys an amazing, very easy, simple recipe for the curry chicken. So stay tuned for all of that goodness. Make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you tell your friends. And yes, this is it. So we're just going to allow that to cook, and then I'll serve it up and show you guys what it looks like. So stay tuned, guys. And this is what my boiled dumplings look like. Very quick and easy, very simple, and the family enjoy it. Again, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you give this one a try. And if you know somebody that can't make dumpling, send this link to them. Bye, guys.